Hey guys, Superboy EV here, and today, this is the last Terrificon opening. A pack of Furious Fist with Heracross. Heracross is the best, okay? Okay, people, Heracross is the best. So, I hope I get luck, so, New York luck. Giants luck, New York Giants. Alright, so, yeah. Gonna open it slowly. The only thing is, I don't get, so, for Furious Fist X, Y, and Flashfire, they, like, put the thing on it, the logo. Let me focus. They always did that, but then they stopped doing it, and then just kept on doing it like this. Or, like, the green one, which, whoa, like this. So, I wish they brought that back. That would be pretty cool. So, so, here's the code. And you see, it doesn't say it. And I think they did this for Legendary Treasures or something like that. They might have done it for Plasma Blast. Alright, so we have Lickitung, one of my least favorites. Makuita, Gothita, Electabuzz, Eevee, Pancham, Fighting Stadium. Wow, that card's pretty cool. A Watchog, a Clefairy, and our last card is... Oh, are you kidding me? You kidding me? You kidding me? Out of all of these, we haven't gotten an EX or a break. Or a GX. No, not a GX. Last year, I think I got like a Golduck break and something else. Well, not the worst thing in the world. So I will be back with more openings. School is about to start, so might not see a lot, but yeah. So that's gonna be the end of the video. See you later, guys.